Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the best in beauty product reviews. Today, we're diving into the Ogilvie Salon Style's Precisely Right Professional Conditioning Perm Kit. This premium perm kit is designed for those looking to achieve beautiful curls at home, making it ideal for color-treated and normal hair. The Ogilvie Precisely Right kit features a heat-activated formula that helps you create lasting curls effortlessly. It's suitable for all hair types and specifically caters to those with thin or delicate hair. One standout aspect of this product is its drip guard feature, which allows for a mess-free application, along with a pleasant fresh scent that enhances the overall experience. Now let's talk about the usage experience. Setting up the perm was straightforward. The instructions were clear, making it easy for anyone, even those new to at-home hair treatments, to follow along. I was impressed by how quickly the heat activator worked. Within moments, I could see my hair transforming into gorgeous waves. When it comes to performance, this perm kit truly delivers. The curls held up remarkably well after several days, and they maintained their bounce and shine. I tested the product during a weekend out, and even after a long day, my curls remained intact and looking fresh. In evaluating the pros and cons, the strengths of the Ogilvie kit include its effective curl activation, user-friendly application, and pleasant fragrance. However, a potential downside might be that the heat activation requires a bit more attention during application, so you need to follow the timing closely. Comparing this product to other at-home perm kits on the market, Ogilvie stands out for its conditioning properties and suitability for color-treated hair. Many alternatives tend to dry out the hair or are not recommended for dyed hair, but Ogilvie ensures that your color stays vibrant while achieving those luscious curls. Considering the value for money, this kit is reasonably priced for the quality it provides. The fact that it offers salon-like results at home makes it an attractive option for anyone looking to save on salon visits. As for build quality, the materials used in the kit feel durable, and the packaging is well designed for ease of use. There were no noticeable issues with durability during my testing. In terms of user-friendliness, the kit scores high. The intuitive application process makes it accessible for both beginners and more experienced users. On the customer support front, I had no direct interactions, but the product is backed by a reputable brand known for its commitment to customer satisfaction, which should give buyers confidence. In my real-world testing, I wore the curls for various activities, including a night out and a casual day at home. They held beautifully, demonstrating that this perm kit can withstand different conditions and still look fantastic. Now, if you're enjoying this review, consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell icon. It helps us bring you more great content and allows others to discover our channel. In terms of longevity, I can see this perm lasting for several weeks, especially if you maintain your hair with the right products. The Ogilvie kit has received positive feedback, and while it hasn't won any major awards, it consistently receives praise from users for its effectiveness. For those on a budget, there are some cheaper alternatives available, such as less-known brands that might still get the job done, but they often lack the same conditioning properties and overall performance of Ogilvie. To wrap things up, I would recommend the Ogilvie Salon Style's Precisely Right Professional Conditioning Perm Kit to anyone seeking a reliable, user-friendly, and effective perm solution at home. It's particularly suited for individuals with color-treated hair who want to add beautiful curls without compromising their color. Thank you for watching this review. You can find the link to get the product in the description box below, and feel free to ask any questions about the Ogilvie Perm Kit or share your experiences if you've tried it. I'd love to hear your thoughts.